DesignerJen. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I went to CVS. It was an okay deal. They're still putting tags up, so I had to like go to the register and figure out. So what happened is today I scanned my card 3 times, and then the 4th time it said, hey, super scanner, you're all scanned out. So then what I did is I entered my phone number. So you guys can enter your phone number, and I did that 3 times and it printed out. So just giving you guys a heads up. And then when my receipt printed, I had more CRTs print off. So it's like, seriously, it's crazy. But CVS went by pretty good. Everything went by smoothly. I just had to figure out what was on sale, you know, at the register, but everything else went by pretty good. Just want to give you guys a heads up. If you guys have the Flooz app, if you guys don't have the Flooz app, that's a good app, especially for CVS. What I usually do is I buy like a $10 gift card. I use a voucher. When you join, you get a voucher. You get 3 vouchers, which is up to 35% cash back. So basically, it's up to 35% cash back, up to $10. So basically, if you buy a $10 instant gift card, you guys will get $3.50 back, cash back in that app. So just goes and joins your account. So what I always do is I always buy a $10 gift card when I go to CVS through the Flooz app. So then I'll use my credit that I already have. And then what happens is that credit, I'll get an addition. I use $10, but I'll get additional $3.50 back. If you guys kind of confuse me, so I'm using free money and using free money. So, you know, should never pay for it. So if you guys don't have Flooz, definitely join below. But you guys can instantly, you can buy anything that you want with it. There's tons of different cashbacks, but CVS you get up to 35% cash back. I always buy a $10 gift card ahead of time. So that is what I want to use when I pay for this stuff, because I don't like spending my own money. Why should we? You know, free money. So you get $3.50 cash back plus 2% more than that. So hey, you already made a profit. Just saying, just saying. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got today. Now, the shampoo deal, I'm going to tell you guys what the breakdown is, and then I'm going to show you guys what I kind of did at the end, because there's a little bit of a different scenario. So the L'Oreal was $4.99 at my store. I used a 3 off of 2. Now there is a digital, but I had a printable coupon that expired today from coupons.com. You would pay $6.98 for this, but then you guys would get a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So that's an okay deal. I mean, I usually say $1 for shampoo is a pretty good deal. But the next deal I did was the Dove shampoo. Now these were 2 for $8. You guys want to use a 2 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's inserts. You guys would end up paying $6 for this, but then you get $2 back in an extra care buck, making them $4 or $2 a piece. Not the greatest deal. But I had a 4 off of 18 CRT, so I ended up buying both of these. Okay, I used the coupons and stuff, and then I had a 4 off of 18 CRT for shampoo and conditioner, so it came out to be $6.98. But then you guys would get $2 back with this one and $5 back with this one, so these come out to be absolutely free, plus like a 2-cent moneymaker. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, I have yet to try the Dove. I've been wanting to try it, so let me know if you guys have used it. Then I ended up doing the Pepto-Bismol. Sorry, you guys, I'm going to say Pepto-Gizmo. When I was a kid, I always called it Pepto-Gizmo. I don't know why, but I still call it that way. Like, I think maybe I watched too much Gremlins or something like that. But I got this just because, you know, in case somebody needs it at the house. These were $4.79. I used 2 50-cent off coupons that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $8.58 for this, but then you guys would get $5 back in an extra care buck, making it $3.58 or just $1.79. So it's an okay deal. You know, I just wanted to share with you on that. Now, I did the P&G deal or whatever that is. So I ended up getting the shampoo pan. I was going to get Tide. I had Tide on my list, and there was no Tide in the app for digital coupons. I went to the P&G, like Everyday, the site where you guys can print off coupons. no Tide, unless it popped up after I left the house, but I wanted to do the Tide deal. But I ended up doing the Pantene. Now these were 3 for $12. I used a 5 off of 3 coupon. Plus I had a 3 off of 12 any shampoo CRT. So I got that. It was spend 20, you get 5. I didn't use any coupons for the Kleenex, but you guys can most likely print off coupons. I didn't, but these were 2 for $3. There is a coupon that is printing from the Redbox machine for $1. So you guys would basically get these for $1 a piece with the Redbox. Sorry, I'm gonna put this stuff away. It is hot. You know, it's funny. Last week it was freezing cold. Today it's like 40 degrees out and it's freaking hot. I want to roll down my windows. Like in Wisconsin, when it's 40 degrees, that's a heat wave. It's a heat wave. But I ended up, for that deal, also I ended up doing the shampoo, the Crest toothpaste. Now these were $2.99. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons for these. Comes out to be 99 cents a piece, but with all of those items combined, it comes out to be $7.98. But then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck for spending 20, making it $2.98 or just 49 cents a piece. So that's an okay deal. You know, it's up to you guys if you want to do that. Now I also did the lotion deal. I got the Vaseline Lotion. Now these were $4.99. I had a $2.25 off of 10 CRT. Plus I used two $2 off coupons. And then I ended up getting the Dove body wash. Now this was $8.69. Who pays that price? Yeah, $8.69. I used a $2 off coupon that we got in today's inserts. Plus, I used a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. And I also had a $3 off Dove body wash CRT. So I ended up using that combined. So all three of these came to be $5.17. But then you guys can submit. You guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making it just 17 cents. But you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and both of these you guys will get points. I didn't scan my receipt, but I have a feeling I think one of these is like free, I think. But 17 cents for all three of these, pretty great deal. So yes, like you go all the way down from $8.69 to 17 cents. That is a good deal. Now, these, I had to guess on this because I looked in the ad and they had Bic Pens. I think everything's just going on sale for Bic. These were what are they? $2.89. $2.89. Usually around school time, when school starts, you get these for $1 or free. But $2.89. You guys would pay $2.89 for this, but there is a extra care buck where you guys will get $2 back in an extra care buck, making them just 89 cents. So yeah, I just had to get, I looked at the ad, I'm like, okay, that's like the same one, so I just got that. I prefer to get the colored pens, but I didn't know if the colored pens were included, so yeah, because I like to write my breakdowns in colors, because that's what I do. The Tresemme was 2 for $8. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. I also had a $2.50 off of 8 CRT that we got today. I totally didn't even write my math. So these would basically come out to be, you guys, I feel like such an idiot. No, $4. $2, $1.50. You guys will get these for $1.50, I think, and then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making it a 50-cent moneymaker if I did my math right. And this also counts towards Fetch Rewards. You guys will get points if you do that. Yes. Yeah, I sometimes forget to write my math down. Like, I kind of have it down, but then I always don't write the finish it because I get different CRTs. So when I do my breakdowns at night. So yeah. So I ended up doing the CoverGirl. I'm sorry, I've seen everybody do hauls or everybody doing like the eyebrow stuff. I have so much eyebrow pencils, it is ridiculous. Yeah, I can't even get rid of eyebrow pencils, it's so bad. So I always like getting the lipsticks or the eyeshadows. But these were $6.49. Where did I write this? $6.59. It was spend 12, you get $5. I used two $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics CRT that I used. So I paid $6.18 for both of these, but then you guys will get $5 back, making it $1.18 or 59 cents. I wanted to get the mascara, but my store was sold out of the mascara. But other than that, that was it. My total came to $2.53. So I just basically used that Flues app and had them scan that. I screenshot my card because I can have them use it for a future use. So $2.53, free money, you guys, like right there. I got $3.50 back. So yeah, I ended up using $39 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $39 I got $31 back. My total technically came to $10.53. Now, I did use my Care Pass thing that I get free for every month, so technically that $10 is free, so it should have been 53 cents for everything. But I included the Care Pass as an extra care buck, so $10.53. I got 21 items at basically just 50 cents a piece. So yes, pretty good haul. You know, I got a lot of shampoo, you guys. A lot of shampoo, and body wash counts as beauty. I think body wash counts as beauty. But, you know, shampoo, the makeup, so I'll probably be getting either $3 or $6 for a beauty bucks next week. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.